happy Wednesday. I feel like today was so busy. Like my work schedule, I had like something every hour. And then last night I was getting stuff ready to go to work and I was like, oh, there's a 6 a.m. high class, so maybe I'll go to that. Like whenever my day is really busy, I always just add another thing to make it even more busy. Did anyone else's day just feel crazy? And now I feel like I have a headache. Well, I do have a headache. If you feel like your head hurts, your head hurts. Anyway, okay, so a little update on our little board here. So I showed this a few days ago. This is just our little pegboard, and we got a little something in the mail, and I think it's my hooks. Here are my hooks. I know I'm wearing my pajamas. Oh, I'm just tired. Okay, so here are my hooks for the pegboard. So I think I'm gonna take a few out and hang up a couple bows, and I'll kind of show you what my plan is for this little project here. So What a Girl Wants is on Hulu, and you are sorely mistaken if you think I'm not gonna sit in bed and watch this movie after I film about the bows. Okay, so here is where her bows currently are kept. Actually, is it this drawer? Yes, it's in this drawer. Don't even look at these clothes. My little sister would be horrified if she saw this. So this is like not even a fourth of Halsey's bows in here. So she has a few different kinds. She has some of these with like the nylon, and then she has a lot of these just like baby bling ones that are more kind of like the spandex ones, almost like the jersey spandex. And then she's got a few that have like this like ribbon bow on it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go through these and maybe hang a few up on our board. Okay, so I'm so like oddly excited about this. Not oddly, it's really cool. So here's what I have so far. So I kind of counted down a couple spaces from the top, then just tried to space these evenly out. And then I think I'm just gonna go all the way across and hang up more of her bows. I might find a little more rhyme or reason for how I hang them up, like maybe lightest to darkest or rainbow or something, but here's what we have so far. Okay, so here is where we're at with the bows. So these little hooks, I swear, like my finger is going to be bruised tomorrow. They are so hard to put in the pegboard, but I kind of like that because I know they're really secure. So some of these are actually like doubled up, like this one's doubled up. And I think I ended up doing 30 hooks on here, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do like the color order and everything. I kind of started doing rainbow going this way, but I think if I'm gonna do rainbow, I'm either gonna do it this way or like down that way instead of like by rows. I might do it by, well, instead of by columns, I might do it by rows. Anyway, so, and then I also did just one hook with all of these like nylon bows. And then she actually still has a few that are still on their little cards we haven't even gotten to use yet. So this is where we're at. I seriously had like such big dreams for this thing. Like I'm gonna hang all our bows and I'm gonna do all this decoration. So there's no room really for other decoration, but I'm sure her bow collection will kind of whittle down. She doesn't wear all of these obviously, but there are a few that for sure she just wears a ton. Like this is one of our favorites. I love the leopard bow. We also do this one a lot, just like and it's not like a typical like polka dots. I kind of like these little dots. Some of these nylon ones are a little bit tight, but this one back here we really like because it's really soft on her little head. I love this gold one. This velvet one is really pretty too, but she looks like the Dole or the Chiquita girl if she wears this. So we gotta wait till she's got like a little hair. Let's see. What else do I really like? These ones, I have two of the same color, but this one I like a lot. And then we also really love this one. I think I want more like patterned bows because it's nice to add like a cute little fun pattern. Anyway, I also thought part of the reason that these hooks might have been a little bit harder to get in the holes is just because of the paint. But like I said, I kind of like that I know they're really snug in there. So I don't have to worry about the hooks coming out. So anyway, this is the semi-finished product and I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. So I just want to give a quick run through of the project, just to sum it all up now that you've seen it in all of its different stages. So Halsey has rolled off her blanket. Okay, so we bought a piece of 4-foot by 2-foot pegboard at Home Depot and whitewashed it. We also put some supports behind it so we could hang it up on the wall. After it was whitewashed and hung up, we purchased some hooks on Amazon. And I think that was basically what kind of delayed the project the most. Honestly, this project could take 2 hours to get it all done. So that is so awesome. You can just get it all done in like one Saturday morning. So that's awesome. And then I spaced out all of the hooks on the pegboard, just kind of in the best way that was most functional for the type of bows that Halsey has. And then I just went through and organized all the bows and hung them all up. And it's been so nice. And as like the past couple days, as she's been wearing bows, it's so nice to just be able to run them back to the board, hang them back up on their hook. And then when I'm looking for one, I have them all just visually right in front of me and I just know where they all are. And if you can't tell, I'm just over the moon about this project. I cannot take hardly any credit for it. I think the only thing I told Cameron was what to buy on Amazon. So I don't think I really helped, but he did a great job. I was gonna have him kind of tell you how he did it and walk you through the steps, but I don't think he's quite a YouTube husband yet. But I just wanted to give you a last little overview of the bow pegboard project, and I am just dying. I'm loving it. So good job, Cameron, and thank you for watching Jensen Talk.